Hello, everyone. Welcome again to Easy English Talks podcast.
And I'm here with James again. Today, we are talking about something very important and maybe a little scary for some people.
Yes, today's topic is speak English confidently, even if your grammar is bad.
Oh, that sounds interesting. I think many English learners feel nervous about their grammar.
Exactly. Many students say, "My grammar is bad. I can't speak." But today, we want to tell you something very important. You can speak English confidently, even if your grammar is not perfect.
I like that. But James, is grammar not important?
Good question. Grammar is important, of course, but confidence is more important when you speak. Communication is the goal, not perfection.
That's true. When I meet foreigners, they don't speak my language perfectly, but I understand them, and I respect them because they try.
Yes, and it's the same with English. Let me ask you something. If someone says, "I go yesterday to supermarket," do you understand?
Of course, it should be, I went yesterday to the supermarket, but I understand the meaning.
Exactly. The grammar is wrong, but communication is successful. That is what really matters.
So the problem is not bad grammar, the problem is fear.
Yes, many learners are afraid of making mistakes. They think, if I make one mistake, people will laugh at me.
But honestly, most people don't care that much.
That's right. Native speakers make mistakes too. Sometimes they say the wrong tense. Sometimes they use the wrong word. They are human.
I once said, she go to school every day, and I felt so embarrassed because I forgot the S.
Oh no, the famous third-person S. It is very small, but very powerful.
Yes, that small S destroys my confidence.
Don't worry. Even advanced learners sometimes forget it. And guess what? Communication still happens.
So, how can learners speak confidently if their grammar is not good?
Good question. Let's give some practical tips.
Yes, practical tips are always helpful.
Tip number 1. Focus on message, not mistakes. When you speak, think about what you want to say, not about every grammar rule.
That makes sense. If I think about grammar too much, my brain stops working.
Exactly. Your brain cannot focus on meaning and grammar at the same time, especially if you are still learning.
So, we should choose meaning first.
Yes. For example, imagine you are in a restaurant in another country. You are very hungry. Do you say nothing because your grammar is not perfect?
No, I will say, I want chicken and rice, even if my pronunciation is not perfect.
Right. You speak because you need something. Communication is more important than perfect sentences.
That's a good example. Hunger gives confidence.
Yes. Maybe we should all imagine we are always hungry when speaking English.
That's funny. Speak English like you are hungry.
Tip number 2. Use simple sentences.
Oh, I like this one.
Many learners try to speak like professors. They try to use very long and complicated sentences.
Yes, like, in my personal opinion, considering the circumstances.
Exactly. But you can just say, "I think." Simple is powerful.
So instead of saying, due to the fact that I was exhausted, just say, I was very tired.
Perfect. Simple sentences mean fewer mistakes, and fewer mistakes mean more confidence.
That's smart. What's tip number 3?
Tip number 3. Practice speaking every day, even alone.
Alone? Like talking to myself?
Yes, you can describe your day. For example, now I am making coffee. I am going to work. I feel tired today.
My family will think I'm crazy.
Maybe a little, but you will improve.
I guess that's a good trade.
When you practice speaking daily, your mouth becomes faster, your brain becomes faster, you feel more comfortable.
I think another problem is comparison. Many learners compare themselves to others.
Yes, that's true. They watch someone speaking fluent English and think, "I am terrible."
But they forget that person probably practiced for many years.
Exactly. You are only competing with yourself. Try to be better than yesterday.
That's a healthy way to think.
Also, remember this. Confidence makes your English sound better.
Really?
Yes. If you speak slowly and clearly, even with small mistakes, people understand you well. But if you speak very quietly and nervously, even correct grammar sounds unclear.
That's so true. Voice and body language matter too.
Yes, stand straight, make eye contact, smile. These things give you power.
Even if inside you feel like, help me.
Yes, even then, fake confidence can become real confidence.
I have a question. What if someone corrects my grammar while I'm speaking?
Good question. First, don't feel attacked. Maybe they want to help.
That's true.
Second, you can say thank you and continue speaking. Don't stop the conversation.
So, correction is not the enemy.
No, silence is the enemy.
Wow, that's powerful. Silence is the enemy.
If you don't speak, you don't improve. If you speak with mistakes, you do improve.
So, mistakes are actually part of success.
Absolutely. Every mistake teaches you something.
I remember when I first started learning English, I said, I am agree.
That's a common one.
Yes, and someone told me, just say, I agree. I never forgot that after that.
Exactly. That mistake helped you learn.
So maybe we should say, thank you, mistake.
Yes, mistakes are your teachers.
I feel like many learners wait until their grammar is perfect before they start speaking.
That is a big trap. Grammar will never be 100% perfect. Even at advanced level, you still learn.
So when is the right time to start speaking?
Now,
That's simple.
if you know 100 words, you can speak. If you know 500 words, you can speak more. Don't wait for 5,000 words.
I like that idea. Start small.
Yes. For example, if someone asks, "What did you do today?" you can say, "I worked, I watched TV, I cooked dinner." Simple but clear.
And slowly you can add more details.
Exactly. Step by step.
So let's summarize.
Sure. First, focus on communication, not perfection.
Second, use simple sentences.
Third, practice speaking every day.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Yes. Remember, speaking is like going to the gym.
Oh no, not the gym.
Don't worry, no heavy weights, just practice. The more you do it, the stronger you become.
So confidence is like a muscle.
Exactly. At first, it's weak, but with practice, it grows.
I think this message is very important for our listeners.
Yes. If you are listening right now and you feel your grammar is bad, we want to tell you something clearly. You are still capable of speaking English.
Don't wait, don't hide, don't be silent.
Speak, make mistakes, learn, improve.
And remember, people care more about your ideas than your grammar.
Yes, your voice matters.
That was a very motivating episode.
I hope so, and we hope you feel more confident after listening.
Maybe after this episode, someone will finally start speaking English at work or at school.
That would make us very happy.
All right, everyone. Thank you for listening.
Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Bye and see you next time. Bye-bye.